Hello everyone. Many a times patient ask about the role of getting PRP done after the hair transplantation. So what are the benefits of PRP after hair transplantation? Today we will be discussing about this thing. So myself Dr. Ashish, I am MD dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon in Hair Free Hair Grow Clinic, Gurugram branch. So as you know, PRP it's a rich concentrate of platelets. How it is taken out? So PRP, we need to extract your blood and put it in a spin machine, and then we take out the concentrated platelets. So those platelets are injected through the help of very minute needle into your scalp. So that is PRP therapy. What are the roles of PRP therapy after hair transplantation? So basically there are 3-4 benefits of getting PRP done after hair transplantation. So first of all, as you know, in hair transplant, your grafts from the donor area are taken and put over the recipient area. So to increase the survival rate of your transplanted grafts, PRP is done. So when we do PRP that is rich concentrate of platelets. Those platelets give your transplanted grafts a rich nutrients that helps to grow there, to increase their survival rate. So first benefit is the survival rate of your transplanted grafts get increased. That ultimately leads to the good outcome over your hair transplanted area. So second benefit is, as you know, there are multiple pin pricks during the process of slitting over the recipient area in hair transplantation procedure. So when we do PRP over your scalp, those injury points, they get better healed. They get the chance to increase healing rate, and there are less chances of scarring over your recipient area or your donor area. So those having more grade of baldness like grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, they have recipient area from front to back. And when we do PRP over this area, the chances of scar formation is quite less after the PRP therapies. So second benefit is that the chances of recovery are more chances that the outcome will be good, and there are less chances of scarring over the recipient area. Now the third benefit is over the donor area when we take out more grafts. So to get proper healing over there and to avoid any side effects like we see somewhere in shock loss. So to avoid those kind of side effects, if we do PRP after hair transplantation, there is quite significant reduction in the side effects after the hair transplantation. So these are the benefits of getting PRP done after hair transplantation. Now if someone asks you that how many sittings do we need and how frequently? So basically we say that at least 3 to 4 sittings should be done after the hair transplant. And at what gap? The gap between the two sittings should be around 4 to 6 weeks. You know, after getting hair transplantation done, we put you on some kind of antibiotics and some kind of saline wash, that for 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, we recommend you to go for first PRP sitting, and then subsequently at the gap of 6 weeks or at the gap of 2 months is sufficient, or you say 3 to 4 sittings should be taken after hair transplantation. So these are the benefits of getting PRP done after the hair transplantation. Thank you very much.